So you want to make money being an influencer? Welcome to the club. In this video, I'm going to talk about the 5 different ways that you can make money online as an influencer without needing a ton of followers. What's up everyone? It's Modern Millie. Welcome back to my channel where I post videos every Wednesday teaching you the latest strategies and trends on social media to help you grow your brand. So give a little love tab on that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest tips and tricks that I have for you. First, I want to say a huge thank you to this video's shoutouts. I wouldn't be here if it wasn't for all of you. If you want to get a shout out in one of my future videos, screenshot yourself watching this and tag me on Instagram stories, or leave a comment below and subscribe to my channel. As always, timestamps will be in the comments down below because I value your time and you already know why you're here. So let's get into it. Let's start with one of the most popular ways that influencers are making money because I have a whole other video on it, and that is brand collaborations. Believe it or not, you do not need 10,000 followers to land paid brand deals. I've helped students with under 1,000 followers land paid collabs. Let go of that belief you're holding on to because it is only limiting you. Brands are looking for all sorts of influencers. There's macro influencers, micro, nano influencers, and each one offers a different benefit to them. When you have the confidence in what you can offer to those brands, you have the power. Now, I don't want to spend too much time talking about this strategy because I actually have a whole entire other video teaching you the 3 different ways that you can land brand collaborations. So I'll be sure to link that in the card above if this is a strategy that you want to use. But since you are already here, I'll give you a little head start with these third-party platforms where you can create an account and start landing your first collaborations. Now, the second way to make money is probably just as popular as brand collaborations, and that's through affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is when you can earn a commission or fee by simply sharing products that you love with your followers. Sometimes the commissions are based off of per sale or per click. It just depends on the company that you're an affiliate for. Now, before you click away, I know this is a common one everybody talks about, and I have to confess something. I literally used to roll my eyes when somebody would talk about affiliate marketing because either like one of 2 things came to mind, right? One, I would think about those brands on Instagram that are like, DM to collaborate, become an ambassador for us, blah, blah, blah. And those were always so scammy to me. And then the other thing that would come to mind are like some unauthentic people who would talk and post about anything on social media just to make that money, right? Because they were affiliates. They would talk about everything. And I'm sure we've all seen somebody do that at some point in time. But affiliate marketing done right is so powerful. It comes down to authenticity because that builds trust with your followers when you're only sharing the products that you genuinely love. There are some platforms that make affiliate marketing really easy, like Reward Style or like to Know It, Amazon Influencer, Shop Style Collective, Share a Sale, and Magic Links. So for me, I've noticed that the less affiliate accounts that I have, the better, because it's just easier for me to keep track of. Like with my Amazon Influencer account, I can share a link to any product on Amazon, and I don't have to have a million different affiliate accounts to share all these different products. So if you're wanting to get started with affiliate marketing, then definitely check out some of those platforms I mentioned. The next way you can start making money is by selling products or merch. There are 2 options here. You can package your knowledge into products like video trainings or ebooks, or you can sell physical merchandise, which I think is a really fun way to build a community or your tribe. Now, if you're like, hey Millie, like I have nothing to sell, I don't know how to make anything. Or maybe selling products, gears, merch is something that you've always wanted to do, but you had no idea where to even start. Don't you worry, boo-boo, I got you. Better yet, this video's sponsors got you, and that's Spreadshop. Now hear me out. What if I told you that you could design your own products and set up your own shop for free? You heard me. That you could literally sell merch without having to track the orders, package the products, or ship them out because Spreadshop does all of the heavy lifting for you. It's literally that easy. I have a video right here that shows you a step-by-step walkthrough for how you can create designs and set up your own merch shop in under 10 minutes. Right now, Spreadshop is only one of 2 companies to have a direct integration with the YouTube merch shelf, which you probably see right below this video. You can even integrate it into your own website. So I highly encourage you guys to open up your own shop with Spreadshop, where you can make and sell your own merch through the link below because it's literally that easy. Okay, the next way that you can start making money is by becoming a VA or a virtual assistant. VAs literally can do anything. The world is your oyster as a VA. You can offer services like inbox management, management, Facebook community management, social media engagement, travel arrangements, content creation, copywriting, literally the list goes on. And becoming one really isn't that hard. Now there's a few places that you can go to get started. You can post your services on websites like Upwork or Fiverr. You can check out third-party platforms like Boldly or find communities with other virtual assistants on Facebook groups. And now the best way that I recommend is by reaching out directly to people that you want to be a virtual assistant for. It's as easy as introducing yourself and sharing exactly how you want to help. Literally, my current virtual assistant, video editors, and collaborations manager are all people who have reached out to me. That's saying something. It makes my job as a creator a lot easier because I don't have to be posting job postings anywhere and going to search out for people. They just happen to land in my lap, and so I love it when people pitch to me. Here's a screenshot of 2 reach out messages that I've received and ended up hiring people from. Basically, when you're pitching, you want to come from a place of service and you want to make their job easier, where it would literally be a no-brainer to hire you. This next way might be my personal favorite, and that is to offer some sort of coaching services. Whether it's group coaching, starting a membership community, or even offering one-on-one services, this is probably going to be your higher ticket item because it's people paying specifically for your knowledge and your time. You don't have to be this like super successful business person to teach on a certain topic, just an expert in that topic. It can be on social media, mindset, cooking, design, how to edit photos, how to design your home decor, organization, party planning, literally anything. Really, all you need to do is to get a website, super simple. All you need is a homepage. This is where you would introduce yourself, the service you offer, and a link to book a consultation call. You can have that link go to a Google form where they just fill out their name, email address, goals, and maybe the best time and day for them to hop on a consultation call, or that link can go straight to Calendly, and Calendly is what I use to book and schedule all of my consultation calls or coaching calls. I will say, just because I feel like I need to say this, I need to have this disclaimer, make sure if you're going into a field where you actually need a certification that you aren't offering coaching before obtaining that certification, like physical training, nutrition, legal advice, counseling, all of that. Pretty sure that's a no-brainer, but just make sure that you're doing your due diligence to make sure you're not offering services where you're legally not supposed to be. Now, question for all of you, out of these 5 ways that we talked about in this video, which one would you want a more in-depth video on? Let me know in the comments below. And if you've made it this far and you're not already subscribed, kick that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss when I post my videos, and I will see you in the next one. Follow your joy. Bye.